지금부터 2020 국제 특허법원
From now on,
컨퍼런스 세 번째
we'd like
세션을
to start the
시작하도록
third
하겠습니다.
session.
밖에 계신 분들은 모두
All
입장해
the
주시기
participants
바랍니다.
staying outside, please come to the conference room.
세 번째 세션에 참가하시는 연사분들께서는
Speakers of the
연단
third
앞으로 나와서
session,
준비를
please come
해주시기
to the
바라겠습니다.
stage.
잠시 안내 말씀드리겠습니다. 곧 세 번째 세션을
We will shortly
시작하도록
begin the
하겠습니다.
third session.
이번 세션은 디자인
The
소송의 주요
third session
쟁점이라는
is about
주제로
major issues
특허법원
in design
윤성식
litigation.
부장판사님께서 좌장으로
Presiding
이끌어주실
Judge Yoon
예정입니다.
Song-sik from the Patent Court of Korea will be
3세션
the moderator for
연사분들께서는
the third
준비를
session.
해주시고요.
Speakers of the third session, please prepare yourselves for the third
이번
session.
세션은 디자인 소송의 주요 쟁점이라는
We will
주제로
be talking
특허법원
about the
윤성식
major issues in
부장판사님께서
design litigations.
좌장으로 세션 이끌어
Judge
주시겠습니다.
Yoon
큰
Song-sik
박수 부탁드리겠습니다.
will be moderating the session. Please welcome them with a big round of applause.
예, 그럼 지금부터
From
오후
now on, we
컨퍼런스를
will start the
시작하겠습니다.
third
저는
session.
조금 전에 소개받은 특허본에 근무하는
My name is
윤성식
Yoon
판사입니다.
Song-sik. I am the presiding judge
이번
from the
세션의
Patent
주제는
Court of
디자인
Korea.
소송의
In
주요
this session, we will
쟁점으로서
talk about major
디자인
issues in
사건에서
design
주로 많이
litigation.
문제되는 디자인의
We will
물품성,
deal with the article
디자인의
of
유사 및
manufacture,
창작 비
similarity
용이성을
of
다룰
design,
예정입니다.
and designs that are
먼저
not
주제와
easily
관련된 질의와
created.
답변 시간을 가진
We're
후에
going to share
이어서 화상
Q&A,
디자인에 대한
and
발표를
then we will
듣겠습니다.
listen to a
그리고 시간이
presentation
허락하는 범위
about
내에서
image design. And
플로어의
if time
질문을
allows, we
받겠습니다.
will take questions from the floor.
그럼 먼저 이번
Then
세션의 발표자들을
Let
소개해
me introduce
드리겠습니다.
the speakers for
소개할
the
때마다 큰
session.
박수로 맞이해
Please welcome
주시면
them with a big
감사하겠습니다.
round of applause.
먼저 이 자리에 참석하지
First of all,
못하셨지만 멀리
Although this
영국에서
person is not here with
온라인으로
us
실시간
offline,
참석하고
but we
계신
have
UCL 석좌 교수 겸 변호사로 계시는
Mr.
제임스 빌
James
변호사님입니다.
Gill, barrister
박수
attorney
부탁드립니다.
from the UK, who are here with us online.
현지 시간으로 아침 이른 시간임에도
It's very
불구하고
early in the morning in
직접
the
참석해 주신
UK,
점에 다시
but
한번
he is
감사드립니다.
here with us
다음은
online
이
on
자리에
a
참석하신
real-time
분들을
basis.
소개해
Thank you very
드리겠습니다.
much.
먼저
And I'd like
특허법원의
to introduce
정택수
Mr.
부장판사님입니다.
정택수, the judge from the Patent Court of Korea.
다음은 특허법원의
And
권순민
Mr.
부장판사님입니다.
Kwon Sun-min, the judge from Patent Court of Korea.
다음은 중국 잉커
And we
외국 법률자문사무소의 축치영
Chuk
변호사님입니다.
Chi-young, the attorney from Inca Law Firm.
이어서 특허청 생활디자인 심사과
And
과장으로
we
근무하시는
have
김지맹 과장님입니다.
Mr. Kim Ji-mang, the director from the Korea Patent
그리고 비록 이
Office.
자리에는 참석
And
못하셨지만
we have
사전 제작된
distinguished
영상으로
guests
참석하고
who have
계신 두
sent
분을
us the video
소개해드리겠습니다.
image.
먼저 일본
First of all,
지적재산고등재판소에 계시는
Mr.
토시히코 찌루오카 부장판사님과
judge from Intellectual Property
미국
High
연방
Court.
제3항소
And we
법원의
have
켄 조단
Mr.
판사입니다.
Kent
역시 박수
Jordan, judge
부탁드리겠습니다.
from the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit.
예, 그럼 바로
Then
3세션을
Let me
시작하도록
start the
하겠습니다.
third session.
먼저 디자인의 물품성에 대한 논의로 세션을
First,
시작할 텐데요.
First
먼저 양해
discussion item
말씀드리면
is
시간적
article
제약으로
of
인해서
manufacture. Due to
패널분들께서는
time
사전에 말씀드린
constraint,
시간
I'd
범위
like to
내에서
ask you
답변해
panels
주시면
to
감사하겠습니다.
answer the question
본격적인
in
시작에
the
앞서서 미국의 조던
within a
판사님께서
certain
보내주신
time.
특허법상
First
디자인
of all,
특허의 요건에
we'd like
대한
to ask
요약
Mr.
설명을
Jordan
들어보도록 하겠습니다.
to explain about the requirements for the patent design.
I'm Judge on the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit, and I'm grateful to be with you in this international IP conference. Thank you so much for the invitation. And this is my submission with respect to Session 3 regarding similarity of design patents. It's an honor to be here virtually with my fellow panelists. I hope someday we can be together in person. I understand we're speaking about countries' comparative standards for obtaining and enforcing design protection, such as similarity between designs, ease of creation, and functionality. I'll be sharing a brief overview of the requirements for obtaining a design patent in the United States and highlighting a few of the underlying standards associated with those requirements, including a design's requisite relationship with an article and how the United States assesses similarities between designs in consideration for issuing a design patent and determining infringement. First, a quick overview. Title 35 of the United States Code codifies our patent laws for obtaining patents, utility, and design. Enforcing that patent through the traditional avenue means going to court and challenging the validity of a patent either during traditional litigation or going to the Patent and Trademark Office, the agency that issued the patent, and seeking invalidity proceedings in post-grant proceedings there. Section 171 of Title 35 authorizes an inventor to obtain a patent for any new, original, and ornamental design for an article of infringement subject to the conditions and requirements of this title. The subject to language of this provision implies that other patentability requirements not specified here also apply. In particular, the same patentability requirements that relate to utility patents, and importantly, the requirement that a design must not be obvious, are all in play. So the central elements of design patentability in the United States are: first, novelty; second, originality; third, ornamentality, meaning the design's ornamental appearance is not dictated by function alone; fourth, the subject matter must be for an article of manufacture; and fifth, the design must be non-obvious. I'm going to talk about some of these elements here, answering some of the questions that the conference organizers kindly provided to us. There are other requirements to obtaining a design patent, but they relate more to the manner in which the design patent is applied for as opposed to the design itself. And I'm going to limit my discussion to the patentability requirements applied to the design itself.
예, 충실한 답변 감사드리고요.
Thank you very much for your
지금부터는
answer.
디자인의
From
물품성에
now on,
관련된
I'd
질문을
like to ask
패널분들께
question
드리겠습니다.
to the panelists.
첫 번째 질문은
The first
디자인의
question
성립
is,
요건으로
in your country,
물품성을
is the
요구하는지,
requirement expressed
그리고
on an article
완성품이 아닌
necessary for a design
부품에
to be
대해서도
established?
디자인이
And
등록될 수
in order
있는지
to be
여부에 대한
registered as a
질문입니다.
design, what
이
requirements
질문에
must
대한
be met
답변은 먼저
by an article
정택수
on which the design is
부장판사님부터
expressed?
답변해 주시기
Mr.
바랍니다.
Jung Taek-soo, would you
네,
please
감사합니다.
start answering the
물품에
question?
표현되어야
Yes,
한다는
thank you.
물품성 요건에 관한 논의는
Regarding the
그 디자인 보호
requirements related
대상과 그
to
범위를 가르는
the
출발점이자
the provision that it must be expressed on an article. Article means a tangible and transportable object, and it is also a combination of various color and shape and so on. Here, article is an independent object, and these requirements need to be met so that it can be registered as a design. And it also needs to meet the industrial application requirements, which means the possibility for mass production of items with that. It should be independent trading object. And as for component or part, it needs to have substitutability. And actually, it's not to say that there must be actual trading of the component in the marketplace and substituted by other articles, but merely the possibility of independent trading and substitutability shall suffice. And in this example you see here, it didn't meet the requirements related to the article of manufacture. This is a very important aspect. It needs to be able to be implemented in a certain consistent shape. In this case, the patent court mentioned that it's not always possible to produce this item in the exact same shape, but it can be repeatedly produced in a form that can be recognized as identical to the shape claimed as the scope of protection in the design at issue. So if it's a form with a level of identity that can be seen as the same item from a reasonable point of view.
예, 다음은 미국의
it meets
조던
the
판사님의 답변을
requirements.
듣겠습니다.
Let's listen to the answer from Mr. Jordan.
So, for design to be patentable, the design must be for an article of manufacture. Since the enactment of the Design Patent Statute, the United States only permits patent protection for designs that either compromise the article of manufacture itself or that form a permanent part of the underlying article, fixed within or worked onto its physical structure. This was originally identified as the fixation requirement. Thus, a standalone design or picture would not be protectable because it is a design in the abstract completely separate from a physical structure. The physical fixation requirement led early courts to invalidate patents for designs that were connected to but divisible from the article itself. For example, in the 1800s, a court invalidated a design patent for a card upon which pearl buttons were presented to consumers. They explained, the court did, that the buttons are to be used by the purchaser, but the card is not. The design does not apply to the manufacturer proper, but only to the arrangement of it for sale. And putting an article into a more conventional form for sale without changing its qualities or properties is not patentable as an improvement in the article. That's a quote from the court. And you could take some issue with, talking about the improvement in the article, but that was the language, and the idea was that the express fixation requirement hadn't been met there. That requirement, that express fixation requirement, was abandoned in 1902 when the act was changed so that the design patentability statute could be simplified. And the requirement was replaced with the article of manufacture language we're familiar with today. But contemporary courts continued then, and modern courts continue now, to interpret Section 171 to include some sort of fixation requirement through its interpretation of the article of manufacture language, although with less bright line rules than perhaps existed before. Nevertheless, courts have recognized a relatively broad scope of eligibility for patent protections for designs that demonstrate a permanent relationship with the article itself. Naturally, before we can determine whether a design is for an article of manufacture we must determine whether the object embodying the design is indeed an article of manufacture. There was substantial less uncertainty as to what constituted an article of manufacture in the early cases because manufactured objects consisted pretty well exclusively of tangible human-made items. But how that term is defined today has evolved somewhat as we've moved further away from the traditional physical human-made structures to the protectability of some designs produced in the digital age. Still, though the breadth of the term article of manufacture continues to evolve, it remains mostly rooted in early cases. For example, in 1913, my court, the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit, held that a roof structure qualifies as an article of manufacture and said that the word manufacturer has often been classified as a term of art in tariff, commercial, and bankruptcy cases. Manufacture was understood to mean a transformation or the fashioning of raw materials into a change of form for use. The Supreme Court has explained that the primary meaning of the word manufacture is something made by hand as distinguished from natural growth, but as machinery is something that is largely supplanted the primitive method of, hand making things by hand. The word has been used to denote any article upon which the material of the article itself has had some labor imbued and expended to finish the product. So the term manufacturer has been defined broadly to include objects where humans contribute to the transformation of the raw materials into an article having a utilitarian purpose.
예, 말씀 잘 들었고요. 이어서
Thank you very much
일본에서
for your answer.
보내주신
We'd
스루오카
like to
판사님의 답변을
listen to
듣겠습니다.
the answer from Judge Tsuruoka from Japan through the video
そ
clip.
れでは第1問について回答します。日本では衣装法2条1項が衣装の定義をしています。それによれば衣装には次の3つのものが含まれます。第1は物品、部品を含むですけれどもの形状、模様、もしくは色彩、もしくはこれらの結合です。第2は建築物、建築物の部品を含みますが、これの形状などです。第3は画像です。画像は機器の操作のように供されるもの、または機器がその機能を発揮した結果として表示されるものに限られます。建築物と画像は2019年の法改正によって衣装権の保護の対象に含められました。なお物品とは一般に有体物である動産を指し独立して取引の対象となるものを言います。次に完成品の一部に衣装を登録することができるかですけれども、これは可能です。部品も互換性を有し、通常の状態で独立した取引の対象になっていれば物品に当たるので衣装登録の対象となります。また日本では物品には物品の部分を含むというふうにされていますから、いわゆる部分衣装も認められています。部分衣装における部分の要件は当該物品全体の形態の中で一定の範囲を占める部分であり、当該物品において他の衣装と対比する際に対比の対象となり得る部分というふうにされています。以上です。
예, 끝으로 멀리
Thank you very
영국에서
much,
준비하고
and we'd like
계시는 빌
to
변호사님,
ask Mr. Bill from
답변
the UK.
부탁드리겠습니다.
Please answer the question.
Thank you for the question. A very interesting question because the approach in the European Union and the UK is so different. Now, I hope that in a moment I'm going to be able to share my screen with you so that I can show you some images. But let me give you an overall picture of the situation. In the UK and in EU harmonised law, there is no bright line requirement for a design to be expressed on an article. there is a much looser requirement because of the very broad definition of product, which in practice encompasses articles and less tangible expressions of design. That is because the concept of design is defined as the appearance of the whole or the part of an article, of a product, resulting from the features of, in particular, the lines, contours, shape, texture and or materials of the product itself or its ornamentation. And a product is itself very widely defined as meaning any industrial or handicraft item, including, amongst other things, parts intended to be assembled into a complex product, packaging, get-up, graphic symbols, and typographical typefaces. So, given that the definition of design encompasses not only products, but the appearance of products, but also the appearance of ornamentation, and the product itself can include get-up and graphic symbols, the limitation to expressed on an article is no longer part of our design law. So what I would like to do is to share you some images by way of example. Shown here is a page of examples of design from the European Union's Intellectual Property Office, and you see it includes logos, computer icons, the get-up of shop interiors, as well as plain ornamentation and parts of products and composite products and so on. So that leads me to the kind of example that I've included in my paper, for instance, BAW London Limited's RCD, where 10 plain text designs using a mixture of bold and phonetic symbols and italics and smaller script, such as this one, the definition of, or a fake definition of warrior, were held to be registrable. Equally, and perhaps strikingly, in the Team Lava and King.com case, the registrations were identified as being for animated icons, and these icons that looked like sweets were then to appear in video games, and a single object was to take these 3 different appearances. But that does not mean there is no limit on the range of designs that can be registered. And for example, in the example I've shown you here, ACJ Amalan, the need for the design to be the design of a product which is an industrial or handicraft item, meant that a tomato that had been bred to be heart-shaped could not be registered as a design because it wasn't an industrial or handicraft item.
예, 아주 멀리서 답변해 주셨지만 바로 이 자리에 있는 것처럼
Thank you very
생생하고
much.
또 친절하게
Thank you
답변해
for
주셔서
your
감사합니다.
answer. We feel like
마치기
you're
전에
here with us.
조던 판사님께서 제조 물품성의
Before we
용어의
close
범위를
this
보여주는
Q&A,
미국의
we'd
사례를
like to
소개해
ask
주시겠습니다.
Mr. Jordan
동영상
to
답변으로
introduce
다 같이 한번 확인해 보도록
a
하겠습니다.
case from the U.S.
One interesting example that demonstrates the breadth of the term article of manufacture today is In Re Hruby, a case that dates back now more than 50 years. It's a 1967 case from the Court of Custom and Patent Appeals. In that case, that court reversed the Patent Board's decision to reject design patent protection for a water fountain. The question before the board and the court was whether that portion of a water fountain that is composed entirely of water in motion is within the statutory term of article of manufacture. The court first noted that the shape created in a specific fountain is manufactured by man in the sense that water as a raw material is put into planned patterns of motion for accomplishment of a decorative purpose. So the water in motion met the human-made requirement for an article of manufacture. The central question on appeal in the case, however, was directed at another underlying requirement for an article of manufacture, namely the permanency requirement. As I previously mentioned, courts look for some sort of permanent relationship between the design and the article of manufacture. Consequently, the article of manufacture itself must meet the permanency requirement. In re Hruby, the Patent Office had denied a design patent application for the water fountain because the portion of the fountain which is composed entirely of water in motion was seen to be a wholly fleeting product and therefore couldn't meet the permanency requirement necessary to be an article of manufacture. The Court of Custom and Patent Appeals disagreed, rejecting the Patent Office's classification of the water in motion as fleeting. The court explained that the permanence of any design is a function of the materials in which it is embodied and the effects of the environment thereon. The ornamental shape of the fountain could, the court said, remain substantially constant and will at such times present an overall appearance virtually the same from day to day if certain parameters are maintained. While the patent application did not disclose the particular means for producing the fountain effect, the court took notice that it is recognized that maintenance of parameters such as orifice configuration, water pressure, and freedom from disturbing atmospheric conditions would result in a permanent visual appearance of the water fountain sufficient to constitute an article of manufacture. In addition, the court reminded us that we look at the product as a whole when determining whether it is an article of manufacture. While it is true, the court said, that a particular droplet or droplets of water may be a fleeting product, the same cannot be said of the fountain itself. The fountain in its entirety, under proper conditions, presented a product of a constant appearance rather than a fleeting product. The court's holding protecting the apparent visual shape of the streams of a water fountain as a proper design patent subject matter is indicative of the United States' liberal interpretation of its Section 171. And that broad construction has further resulted in the application of this law to designs that are embodied on a part of a product so long as the design meets the same design patentability requirements previously discussed. To sum it up, the design must be embodied on or applied to an article of manufacture, but the design need not be for the article as opposed to a portion of the article to be patentable. A design is not protectable in the abstract or if it is divisible from the article of manufacture. And the article of manufacture itself must be a human-made, or at least there must be a human contribution to that tangible product, and that the product remains substantially constant or permanent. And that's the end of my contribution on question 1.
이어서 다음은
And
물품
would
사에
like
관한
to
두
talk
번째로
about
글자체 디자인에 관한 질문을
typeface.
드리겠습니다. 질문 내용은 글자체에 대한 디자인이
Can a
등록될 수
typeface be
있는지와
registered as
그
a
유사성
design
판단
in
기준에
your
대해서
country?
질문
If so,
드리겠습니다.
what is
먼저
the
영국의 빌
legal
변호사님
basis?
답변
Would like
부탁드리겠습니다.
to listen to the answer from Mr. Bill from the UK first.
Thank you for the question. The answer, straightforward. Yes, typefaces can be registered. The answer is found in the legislation, so that's Article 3 of the EU Designs Regulation, which provides the community-wide design registration structure, and in Article 1 of the Designs Directive, which provides the standard by which national laws must protect registered designs. And that approach is going to continue in the UK after the UK has left the European Union. The reason that typefaces can be protected is because of the definition of design as meaning the appearance of the whole or a part of a product, in particular, the lines, contours, shapes, textures of the product itself or its ornament. Industrial or handicraft item, including typographical typefaces. Now, that being the case, the test for whether a typeface can be registered is the same as for any other registered design. The question is whether the typeface has individual character. Now, you might ask the question, well, isn't that a bit of an anomaly because a typeface is really not very much of a handicraft item? Well, part of the answer for that lies in history, because of course typefaces were handicraft items because the creation of a typeface involved making individual pieces of type which could then be used in a printing press. Now in the modern context, there is a great similarity, of course, between typefaces and icons and other graphic elements that are created in computer systems, which our new liberal approach encompasses. There are very few cases on typefaces in the UK. You can see, for instance, Microsoft Corporation's design about a typeface which was almost identical to a linotype typeface and not allowed to be registered. And there are also examples of partial typefaces that could be registered instead as a set of characters.
예, 감사합니다. 예, 다음은 중국의 축지영 변호사님
Thank you very much. We'd
답변을
like to
듣겠습니다.
listen from
중국에서는
축지영
글자체는 디자인 보호 객체가 아니기
In
때문에
China,
디자인에
typeface
의하여 보호할 수 없습니다.
cannot be registered
글자체의
as a
가치는 필기
design.
스타일이나 예술적 미감을 표현하는
Regarding
데 있습니다.
calligraphy,
따라서 현재
has the
중국에서는
aesthetic
글자체를
value.
미술품으로
So
간주하여
in China,
제작권법에
typeface is
의하여
regarded as an object of
보호되고 있습니다.
art. It's not subject to
디자인은
patent.
중국에서 등록될 수 없기 때문에
So
따라서
typeface cannot be registered
유사성 판단
as a
기준에 대한
design in
그
China.
답은 여기서 생략하겠습니다. 감사합니다.
So that's all I can say
예,
from China's
감사합니다.
perspectives.
그러면
Thank you
이어서
very much.
마지막
And
답변인데요.
I'd
미국의
like to
조던 판사님의
ask
답변을
Mr.
듣겠습니다.
Jordan for his answer.
Hi, now I'm going to answer question 2 in session 3, still dealing with articles of manufacture. This one being posed by our organizers as whether a typeface can be registered as a design in your country, and if so, what is the legal basis for that? What are the standards to determine similarity of typeface designs in your country? The answer is yes. Typeface or type font is protectable under United States design patent laws. In fact, the very first United States design patent issued in 1842 covered a typeface designed by a gentleman named George Bruce. And the United States Patent and Trademark Office published a shout out to Mr. Bruce on Twitter for his design 175 years after issuance. Typeface, according to a House report from the U.S. House of Representatives dealing with this issue back in 1976, is defined as a set of letters, numbers, or other symbolic characters whose forms are related by repeating design elements consistently applied in a notational system and are intended to be embodied in articles whose intrinsic utilitarian function is for composing text or other cognizable combinations of characters. Which is a very long and fancy way of saying you can write with it, you can communicate ideas with it. Design patents can offer broad protection for typeface, protecting any ornamental characteristics of a set of letters or other characters beyond their utilitarian function, that is, their function being to convey language. Design patents for typeface must meet the same patentability requirements as any other protectable design. Notably, though, design patent protection for typeface has contributed to some of the shift in how the United States defines what an article of manufacture is. As I previously discussed, design patents only apply to articles of manufacture, meaning physical products that were created by people. in the late 19th century, when typeface design patterns were more often utilized, the typeface was cast in metal or carved from some other material, making it easy to identify the physical article of manufacture. But nowadays, typefaces are often digital and applied through some computer program. Nevertheless, typeface applied through computer programs can still overcome the requisite hurdle for being an article of manufacture. In fact, while the United States Patent and Trademark Office originally rejected electronic designs for failure to meet the article of manufacture requirement, it reversed that position in 1996, and specifically, the Patent and Trademark Office issued guidelines clarifying that while type fonts have traditionally been generated by solid blocks from which each letter or symbol was produced, type fonts do not fail to comply with the article of manufacture requirement on the basis that more modern methods of typesetting, including computer generation, do not require solid printed blocks. And after seeking public comment on its guidelines for examination of design patent applications for computer-generated icons, the USPTO determined that a design for a computer-generated icon which is embodied in an actual article of manufacture is statutory subject matter for a design patent under Section 171.
예. 다음은 물품 수량에 관련된 마지막
Thank you very much.
질문인데요.
And
화상
last
디자인에 관한
question,
것입니다.
which is related to
화상 디자인에 대해서는
computer-generated graphic
각국의
design.
입법례가 차이가 있는 것
Each
같은데요.
country may
자,
have different
관련해서
legislations
화상
and
디자인이
examples.
디자인으로
In your
등록될 수
country,
있는지
can a
그리고
GUI
등록이 가능하다면
design be
그
registered as
요건으로
a design?
물품성을
If so,
요구하는지
what is
여부에
the
대해서
applicable
답변을
legal
듣도록
basis
하겠습니다.
and what
먼저
are the
일본의 스루오카
requirements to
판사님의
meet?
답변을
First,
듣겠습니다.
we'd like to listen to Judge Tsuruoka from Japan.
この質問は CG 画像を画像そのものとして意思登録できるかどうかという意味であると理解して回答をいたします。日本では画像は機器の操作のように供されるもの、または機器がその機能を発揮した結果として表示されるものに限り意思として登録することが可能です。意思法2条1項にそう定められています。前者はパソコン画面に表示されるアイコンなどであり、後者はデジタル時計の画面に表示される時刻表示などです。これに対し壁紙などの装飾的な画像や映画、ゲームなどのコンテンツ画像などは上記の要件には当てはまらず意思としての登録はできないとされています。したがって CG 画像を意思登録できるかどうかはこのいずれの類型に当たるかによって判断をされることになります。今申しました通り、画像は一定の場合には画像それ自体として意思を登録することができ、その場合には画像が物品上に表現される必要はありません。例えばデジタル時計の表示画面を部屋の壁に投影する場合、画像が物品上に表現されているとは言えないだろうと思いますけれども、意思としての登録は可能だということになります。以上です。
예, 이어서 중국의 축지영
Thank you. We'd like to
변호사님의 답변을
listen
듣겠습니다.
from Chuk Ji-young,
중국에서
attorney from
단순한
China.
화상
In China,
디자인이
simple
디자인으로
computer-generated
등록될 수
graphic
없고
content
매개체 물품인
cannot
경우에만
apply for a design
가능합니다. 즉,
patent.
화상 디자인의 매개체가
But it should be expressed on an
물품이어야
article.
합니다.
Computer-based
중국
graphic
특허
design
심사 지침에
should be
따르면
expressed on an
그래픽
article
사용자
in China.
인터페이스를 포함한
According to
물품
the
디자인
relevant
수련에
regulation in China,
대해서는
a
필요한
product design
경우에
patent application
그래픽
for a graphic
사용자
user interface,
인터페이스의 용도,
it should
그래픽
explain
사용자
the purpose
인터페이스,
of graphic
베이스가
user
물품에서의
interface
구역,
and the
인간과
area of the
컴퓨터의 교류
GUI in the
방식과 변화
product
상태
in
등을
the way
설명해야
of
합니다.
human-computer interaction
그래픽 사용자
and the state of
인터페이스란
change.
그래픽 방식으로
GUI
표현된
refers to
컴퓨터
the
사용자
graphical
인터페이스를
display of a
말합니다.
computer-oriented
그래픽
user
사용자
interface.
사람과 컴퓨터가
GUI
통신하는
is an interface
인터페이스의
enabling
표시
people to
양식으로
communicate with
사용자가
computers.
마우스 등 인도
It
장치로
allows
화면
users
상황
to use an
아이콘이나
input device such as a
메뉴
mouse
옵션을
to
조작하여
manipulate
명령
icons or menu
파일
options on the
호출,
screen so that they can
프로그램
select
또는 기타 일상적인
commands,
작업을 할 수
invoke
있도록 하는
files,
것입니다.
or perform other daily tasks.
아래 그림에서 제시한
If you
것처럼
look at the picture
그래픽
below,
사용 인터페이스는
GUI
전자시계에 사용될 경우에만 그 디자인으로 될 수
can be
있는
registered as a
곳입니다.
design only when it is expressed on the electronic watch. Thank you.
예, 감사합니다.
Thank you for your
그러면
answer.
끝으로 영국의
Then,
빌
lastly,
변호사님
we'd like
예,
to
답변
ask Mr.
부탁합니다.
Bill for your answer.
The answer in relation to graphical user interfaces in UK and European law is that yes, they can be registered. The reason is again because of the broad definition of design, which covers the appearance of the whole or a part of a product, including its ornamentation, and the wide definition of product, meaning any industrial or handicraft item, including graphic symbols. So that a practice has developed of allowing registration of icons, as I illustrated in my first item, and logos, and parts of the displays in computer systems. So, for example, the logo case that I showed you before, the Team Lava case, about the three-dimensional sweet-like icons, gives you an example. And so it's possible to obtain registrations for parts of interfaces which are graphic user interfaces. In fact, that used to be the case under the old UK law, which was more restrictive, and that result was reached by reasoning that the graphic user interface was a feature of the product which that interface formed part of. The requirement, therefore, that the graphic user interface needs to express on an article has effectively been removed by the wide definition of design in European and UK design law.
예, 감사합니다. 예, 그럼
Thank you very
다음으로는
much.
두 번째 주자인
Next, I'd like to ask-
디자인의 유사에
I'd
대해
like to
논의해 보도록
Talk
하겠습니다.
about the next topic, the
먼저
similarity of design.
디자인 유사
First of
여부에서
all,
그
would you
주체를
please describe
누구로 하여 판단하는지에
whose
대해서
perspective is
설명을
considered to
부탁드리도록
determine design
하겠습니다.
similarity in
먼저
your
한국의
country?
권순민
First, let's listen to
부장판사님의
Mr. Kwon
답변부터
Sun-min
듣겠습니다.
for his answer.
네, 답변할 수 있는 기회를 주셔서 감사합니다.
Thank you for the opportunity to answer
디자인
the
유사 판단의
question.
주체에 관해서는
In
일본과
regard
같이
to the criteria for
논문으로
determining
정하고 있는
similarities
것은
of designs, there are
한국의 디자인
countries such as Japan
특별한
that
규정을
codify
두지
the
않아
criteria,
실무상
but
문제가
Korean
됩니다.
Design Protection
그런데 이
Act
문제는
doesn't specify
디자인 유사
criteria
판단의
which creates
기준과
problems in
밀접한 관계가
practices.
있습니다.
The problem is
창작의
closely
가치를
related to
중시하는 창작자에 따르면
criteria of
디자인의
design
형태는
similarities.
디자인의
According to the
원인인
theory of
구성까지
creation,
파악하게 됩니다.
since the determination is
따라서
made by
미세한
identifying
차이점을
a
관찰할
relationship
능력을
between
갖춘
creative
통상의
content of a design
디자이너가
and form of
판단의
design,
주체가
determination is
됩니다.
made based on an
반면에
average
이적인
designer.
해석을
However,
중시하는
according to the other theories,
혼동술에
such as
따르면
theory of
디자인의
aesthetics and
형태를
the
주로
theory
파악하게
of confusion,
일반적인
determination is
수요자가
made
주체가 됩니다.
based solely on
대법원은
the form of a
보는
design
사람으로
and thus
하여금
is based
다른
on
심리감을
the
느끼게
general
하는 지역으로
consumer.
디자인
The Supreme
유사를
Court of
판단해야
Korea
한다고
held
합니다.
that similarity
보는
should be
사람은
judged based on
대부분이
whether the
디자인
overall
분야에서
observation of
가르치는
elements consisting of a design such as a shape, pattern, or color.
그런데 보는
Here, it
사람이
is not clearly
일반 수요자인지,
defined whether the
통상의
viewers
디자이너인지,
refer to
아니면
a general
법적인
consumer
사람인지
or an
명확하지
average designer in the field.
다만 대부분이
design.
심리감수를 취한 것으로 보이고
However, it is generally understood that judicial precedents adopt the general consumer as a standard from the perspective of the theory of aesthetics. This can be seen in the judicial precedent, which uses the term general consumer concerning the human standard for determining similarity of designs.
사용시뿐만 아니라 그래시 심미감도 함께 고려해야
And
한다는
if you
것이
look at some precedent or precedents that aesthetic sense from the appearance, not only when an article is
거래자도
on which the
포함하는
design is
넓은
expressed is
개념으로
used, but also when the article is traded.
일반 수요자라는 용어는
The term general consumers have been widely used in trademarks as well. The Supreme Court said, in decision of trademark similarities, general consumers include final consumers as well as intermediate consumers or wholesalers and retailers, which means inclusion of traders who have expertise. Based on the decision, it is possible different scope and definition of general consumers can be set depending on specific
예,
situations.
감사합니다.
Thank you.
예, 다음은 미국의 조던 판사님 답변 들어보겠습니다.
Turning to the questions associated with the topic similarity of designs, I'm going to answer questions 4 and 5 very briefly. Question 4 here in session 3 asks, please describe whose perspective is considered to determine design similarity in your country. Please give an outline of any related judicial precedents that have been debated in your country. Question 5, in your country, when determining similarity of designs, is it required that the articles in question be identical or similar? If so, what are the standards by which identity or similarity is determined? And some related questions. I'm not going to answer all of those sub-questions, but I am going to tell you that design similarity is the focus when determining whether a design patent has been infringed, as well as when determining whether a patentable design is new, either when applying for a design patent or when asserting that a patent is invalid for lack of novelty. The question of design similarity uses the same test for analysis when in any of those questions. That is, when there's an infringement claim, when you're seeking the design patent to begin with, or when you're being challenged for invalidity. In all instances, the test is the average or ordinary observer test. That test originates from the Supreme Court's seminal decision in Gorham Company versus White from 1871, which provides that if, in the eye of an ordinary observer giving such attention as a purchaser usually gives, two designs are substantially the same, if the resemblance is such as to deceive such an observer, inducing him to purchase one, supposing it to be the other, the first one patented is infringed by the other. So, let me try to give you a quick summary of that. If an ordinary observer, using the ordinary level of attention they give when looking at products, looks at two designs and is deceived because of their similarity and induced to purchase one, supposing it to be the other, there's an infringement. The ordinary observer test applies to the patented design in its entirety as it is claimed. Courts presume that the ordinary observer is familiar with the prior art designs and reviews, the differences between the claimed and accused designs in light of the prior art. If the claimed design is close to the prior art designs, small differences between the accused design and the claimed design assume more importance to the eye of the hypothetical ordinary observer. Under this standard, in infringement cases, courts must first identify the ordinary observer and then the fact finder, sometimes a court, sometimes the jury in the United States, steps into the shoes of that observer and considers the designs of the patented product and the asserted product side by side. In its comparison, the fact finder must analyze the design as a whole. It cannot adopt a piecemeal approach or first consider whether each design element independently affects the overall visual impression that the designs are similar. Rather, the court finds infringement of a design patent when an ordinary observer is deceived by the asserted design as a result of similarities in the overall design, not of similarities in ornamental features considered in isolation. So that's the test, that's how it's supposed to be applied. Those are the questions I chose to answer. Thanks again for letting me participate in session 3.
예. 이어서 영국의 빌
Thank
변호사님
you.
예, 답변
Mr. Bill
부탁드리겠습니다.
from the UK.
Thank you for the question. Now, I'm going to concentrate on the question of from whose perspective the question of design similarity is assessed in the UK and EU design courts, because the following questions are going to deal with similarity in article and similarity so far as the standard and approach that is adopted. So starting off with from whose perspective, the answer is defined in our law as being from the perspective of an informed user, and it's from their perspective that the question of whether a design is new and whether the design has individual character is tested, and from which the question of infringement is tested, and both the question of validity and infringement, of individual character and infringement, are tested by reference to the overall impression produced by the design on an informed user, taking into account the existing design corpus and the degree of freedom of the designer in developing the design. All of that is set out in the legislation, in the regulation and the directive, which mirror one another. There is case law that addresses the characteristics of the informed user, and one of the most important cases is the European Court of Justice's judgment in PepsiCo and Grupo Proma, which was about a case about promotional discs that were distributed as toys for children, effectively. And that definition of the informed user identifies them as a person who is understood as lying somewhere between the average consumer applicable in trademark matters and the sectoral expert applicable to patents. So this person who is in between those two is an expert with is not an expert with detailed technical expertise as in patent matters, but is somebody who is a user of average attention, but a particularly observant one, either but not because of his personal experience or his extensive knowledge of the sector. And the details of such a person were explained by the English Court of Appeal in the famous case of Samsung and Apple, in which the iPad design was held to be not infringed by Samsung's tablet design because, amongst other things, the Apple design was cool. The features of the informed user were listed as as 7, including that he or she is a user of the product, is particularly observant, has knowledge of the design corpus, is interested in the products concerned, conducts a direct comparison of the products if he or she can, unless there are specific circumstances in the market that mean that that's not practicable. For instance, street lamps, which sit in different places around a city. And the informed user is neither merely perceives the design as a whole and does not analyse it in detail, nor observes minimal differences. So provides a middle ground of observance of features of designs by which the court can apply its tests for validity and infringement.
예, 감사합니다. 끝으로 중국의 축지영 변호사님 답변입니다.
We'd like to listen
중국에서는
from
디자인 요사
축지영.
여부 판단에 있어서
In
일반
China,
소비자 지식 수준과
we
인지 능력을
refer to the
기준으로
ordinary
판단하고
consumer's
있습니다.
knowledge level and cognitive
최고인민법원, 중국
ability
최고인민법원의
as the
특허권
judgment
침해
criteria.
분쟁 사건 심리에 관한 법률 적용 관련 해석에 따르면
Regarding the interpretation of the
중국법원은
Supreme People's
디자인
Court
특허
concerning
물품의
certain
일반
issues on
소비자의
the
지식
application
수준과
of law
인지 능력으로
for the trial of
디자인의
cases on
경계
disputes
유사
over
여부를 판단해야
infringement on
한다고
patent rights,
규정했습니다.
it says that the
중국
knowledge level and
특허
cognitive
심사
ability of
지침에
ordinary
따르면
consumers of
디자인
the products
출원의
of
예비 심사에서는
patented design
검색이
should be the
이루어지지 않으며
criteria to
심사원이
determine whether industrial
신청서류의
design is the
내용이
same
일반
or
소비자의
similar.
상심안으로 보호를 요구하는 디자인 특허
So
출원이
the
특허법
examiner
제23조 제1항의 규정에
judges whether the design
부합하는지를
patent
판단합니다.
applications are
그리고
clearly inconsistent with
베이징시
paragraph 1,
국가인민법원
Article
특허
23
침해
of the
판정
patent
지침에
law.
따르면
And
디자인이
according to
동일하거나
Beijing Higher
유사한지를
People's Court for
판단하려면
Patent
디자인
Infringement Judge
물품의
Guide,
일반 디자이너 또는
whether the
물품의
design
실제
is same
구매자의
or
관찰
similar,
능력이 아닌 일반 소비자의
the
지식 수준과
overall
인지
visual
능력을
effect of the
판단
judging
주체로
ability
전체적인
and
시각적
knowledge
효과를
of
기준으로
ordinary
해야 한다고
consumers should be
규정했습니다.
taken as the
그리고
standard.
일반 소비자는 가설적인
And
사람으로 지식
ordinary
수준과 인지
consumers
능력 두 가지
refer
측면에서
to
판단해야
people
하고
who have
판단
knowledge
시
and
디자인
cognitive
특허
ability,
출원일 때 등록 디자인과 동일하거나 비슷한
and they
물품의 디자인
determine
공간도
whether the
고려해야
design
합니다.
of the
그리고
registered
중국 다른 법원에도 비슷한
item
규정이
is
있습니다.
similar or not with
이상입니다.
the applied design.
예, 감사합니다.
Thank you.
다음 질문은 디자인
Next
유사 여부
question
판단에서
is
디자인의 대상 물품이 동일 유사할 것을 요구하고 있는지 그리고
whether
그 판단
in
기준은
your country,
무엇인지에
when
대한
determining
것에서
similarity of
질문을
designs, is it
드리겠습니다.
required that the
먼저
articles in
영국의
question
빌
be
변호사님
identical or
답변
similar?
부탁드리겠습니다.
Mr. Bill?
In short, the answer is no. It is not required by UK or EU design law that the articles in question must be identical or similar. The reason is because the registered design has an existence of its own. So although the design means the appearance of the whole or a part of a product, it has that wide definition including industrial and handicraft items extending to graphic symbols. But more specifically in the regulation that creates community registered designs, there's an article that requires the application to contain an indication of the product on which the design is intended to be incorporated or to which it is intended to be applied. That's Article 36.2 of the regulation. But its effect is circumscribed by Article 36.6, which provides that this shall not affect the scope of protection of the design as such. And for infringement, the alleged infringement must just create on the informed user something which is not, so must create on the informed user the same overall impression. Or in other words, it does not create on the informed user a different overall impression. The effect of this has been explained, for instance, in the English Court of Appeal by Lord Justice Jacob in Green Lane Products and PMS International, where he explained that if you register a design for a car, you can stop the use of that design for a brooch or a cake or a toy. And if you register a textile design, you can stop its use on wallpaper or a shirt or a plate. Nor does it matter what size the alleged infringing design is compared to the product for which the design was registered. That approach has most recently been confirmed by the Court of Appeal in the Crown ex parte British American Tobacco against the Secretary of State for Health, the case about whether restrictions on tobacco advertising somehow took away people's property rights in the IP which protected their tobacco brands.
예, 감사합니다. 다음은 한국의 권순민 부장판사님의 답변을
Next,
듣겠습니다.
Mr. Kwon Sun-min.
네, 디자인 유사 판단에 있어서 물품이 동일 유사할 것을 요구하는지에 관한 논의는
When deciding
첫 번째
similarities of
주제인
design, is it
디자인의
required that the article in question to be identical or similarity? To
디자인
answer the
포커
question, I can say this
2.15의
question is
디자인
closely
정의 규정에서
related to
보듯이
discussion of the first
한국
question.
디자인 제도의
As
특권
Article
하나가
2.1 of the Design Protection
디자인과
Act
물품 간의
stipulates,
불가분성이
Korean design systems believe
디자인은
there is an
물품을 떠나서는
inseparability
존재할 수
between
없고
design and articles.
설사
Since the
외관이
design
유사하더라도
cannot exist away
물품이
from an
다르면
article, two different
다른
articles are
디자인으로
considered
간주됩니다.
different articles
이
even if
점에서
they have
앞서 빌 변호사님이
similar
말씀하신
appearance.
유럽의 실무와는 차이가
And it
있습니다.
can have difference from
구체적인
the
예를
practices in
들면
Europe.
대법원은 화면 오른쪽 상단의 파이프 덮개는
Furthermore, the Supreme Court is
인물로부터
understood
페이스를
that
보호하기
it
위한 것이고
has
하단의 풀륜관은
let's take
배수구로
a
사용하는
picture.
것이어서 서로
And
다른
the Supreme Court
물품이므로
said there is a difference in
디자인을
the
동일 유사하지 않다고 판시하였습니다. 다음으로
the
물품의
train
동일 유사 판단의
and
기준으로서 대법원은
the
물품의
pipe.
용도와 기능을 들고 있습니다.
As a
이는
criteria of
물품의
similarities, the
존재
Supreme Court looked at the purpose of
용도와
use of an
그것을
article and
발생하는
the action or function of an
기능이야말로
article, because the
물품의
purpose
기본적 존재의
use of an
이유이자
article and the
본질이기
action
때문일
of a
것입니다.
function,
다만
which can
대법원은
realize them
거래
the
통념을
essence of
보조
article
수단으로
and the
고려하는
fundamental reasons for the
입장을
article
취하여
to exist.
용도와 기능을
But the Supreme Court
넓게
take the
파악하고
position of
있습니다.
having the use and
마요네즈
function of an
용기와
article
접착제
as a
용기는 그 안에
principle.
담기는 구체적인 제품은
And
다르지만
here the examples are mayonnaise
액체에 가까운
container
상태의
and glue
제품을
container.
담는 포장 용기이므로
They are two different
용도
articles, but both of them are
동일 유사하다고
containers
판결이 거의
holding articles close to
나아가
liquid.
대법원은 물품의 동일 유사성 자체도
Furthermore, the Supreme
매우
Court is
넓게 보고 있는
understood
것으로 이해됩니다.
that it has
즉,
broad view about
용도 기능이
identity
다르더라도
and
물품의
similarities of
형태가
articles. In other
서로
words,
혼용될
even
수
if the
있다면
articles are different in terms of their
물품이라고
use and function, the
판결을
articles
소개하면
should be
화면
viewed as
오른쪽
similar
빨래
articles.
썩는 용기 내부의
And
거품
the
넘침
decision
방지구와
showed that there is a
하단,
difference in the
취사
bubble
용기 내부의
overflow
순환통은
prevention device. The
용도의
subject
차이가
article is
있지만
sold to be used
형태가
for
유사할 뿐
boiling
아니라
laundry on top
물을
right on the screen and the
세제
circulation
거품이나
tube on the
방물이
bottom right.
넘치는 것을
But they are
방지하는
similar in
점에서
shape and in
기능이
terms of their
실질적으로
function. Their
동일하므로
function is
양자를
substantially the same, and that it
동일
keeps the
유사한
bubbles or the
물품으로
rice
본
water generated from the inside of the container
예,
from
끝으로
overflowing. So they
중국의
are
축치현
the same.
변호사님 예, 부탁드리겠습니다.
Chuk Ji-young, the attorney from
중국에서는
China.
디자인의 유사 여부 판단에
In
있어서
China,
물품이 동일 유사한 것을 요구하고 있습니다.
require that
중국
the
최고인민법원의 특허권
actually
침해
same
분쟁 사건
standards
심리에
are
관한
applied to
법률
the
적용 관련 해석
registration and
제
determination of
8조에
the scope
따르면
of rights.
디자인 특허 제품과 동일하거나 비슷한 종류의 제품에 대해
For
등록
products
디자인과
that
동일하거나
are
유사한
have the
디자인을
same
한
overall
경우
visual effect
이민법원은 권리
as the patent of
침해로
appearance
피소된
design,
디자인이
or
특허법
if it's essentially the
제59조
same as
제2항에
it with
규정된
only partial
디자인
difference,
특허권의
it has
보호
no
범위에 속한
unique
것을
visual
인정해야 한다고
effect.
규정했습니다. 관련 판단 기준에 대하여는
For
중국
this criteria,
최고인민법원의 특허권 침해 분쟁 사건 심리에 관한 법률 적용 관련 해석
we refer
제9조에
to
따르면
the
인민법원은
Article
디자인
9
물품의
of
용도에
the
따라
Supreme Court's
물품의 종류가 동일하거나
interpretation of this
유사한지 여부를
issue.
판단해야 합니다.
We have to decide
물품의 용도를
whether
확인하려면
the
디자인의
articles
간략한
are
설명,
of the
제
same
디자인
kind.
분류표,
For this, we
물품의
refer
기능,
to
물품의
international
판매,
design
실제 사용 상황
classification,
등을 참고할 수 있습니다.
specification, and other
이상입니다.
information. Thank you.
예, 감사합니다.
Thank you for your
그럼 이어서
answer.
디자인
Then
유사 세
let's
번째
move on
소지제인데요.
to the next
등록
topic.
디자인의 일부분에
In your
공지된
country,
형상
if a
또는
registered
주제의
design
형상이 포함되어 있는
partially
경우에
contains a
등록
publicly
요건을
known
판단할
shape,
때와 권리 범위를
is the
판단할 때
publicly known
그
part
중요도를
considered
동일하게
as
보는지에
less
대한
important?
질문을 드리도록 하겠습니다. 이에 대해서는 먼저
So
한국의
for this,
권수민
I'd like to ask
부장판사님의
Mr.
질문
Kwon Sun-min
답변부터
to
듣도록
answer
하겠습니다.
first.
예, 한국 대법원은
The
등록
Supreme Court of
디자인의
Korea
일부에 문제
applies
형상이
different
포함된 경우
standards when deciding
등록
design
요건 판단 시와
similarity and
권리 범위 판단
registrability
시에 다른
determination
기준을
and the
적용하고
scope of
있습니다.
rights
이
determination
부분은
when a
실무상
registered design partially
대리인들이
contains a
간혹 간과하는
publicly
부분이기도
known
한데요.
shape.
먼저 등록 요건 판단 시에는
When determining
공지 형상이
registrability,
특별한
such
신비감을
as
불러일으키지
projection and
않는 한
invalidation, where
요구에서
a part
제외하지
of a
않고
registered design
전체로서
contains a
관찰하여
shape that is
판단한다는
publicly
것이
known, the
판례의
publicly known
일반된
shape should not be
태도입니다.
excluded
이는
unless it is
유서
not an
판단이
element which invokes
어디까지나
specific
형태를 구성하는 전체를
aesthetic sense. This
통일적으로
is understood
파악하는
because
종합
in
판단의
determining
성격을 가지기
novelty of a
때문이고
design,
또
if the
출원
publicly known
디자인과
part
선행 디자인의
that is
공통된
common in the
공지
filed
부분을
design
요구에서
and the
제외하면
compared design is
공지 부분을
excluded
포함하는
from the
출원 디자인이
prominent part,
오히려
a
신규성을
contradiction
쉽게
may
인정받아
occur where novelty of the
등록되는
filed
모순이 생길 수 있기
design,
때문으로
including the
이해됩니다.
publicly known part, is
반면에
easily recognized
권리범위
and
판단
registered.
시에는
On the other
공지
hand,
부분의
it is
중요도를
the position of the
낮게
judicial
평가해야 한다는 것이
precedent
판례의
that when
입장입니다.
deciding similarity in the
화면
scope of
오른쪽
rights
상단의
or
작곡에서
infringement,
몸체
the
윗부분은
publicly known
짙은색,
part should be
아랫부분은
considered as
밝은색으로
less
배치한 점은
important.
하단의 사진들에서 보는 바와 같이
As you can
이미
see on the
공지되어
screen,
있으므로 그 부분의
the work
중요도를
uniform on the
낮게
top right,
평가하여
top half is a dark
대비해야
color and the
한다는
bottom half is bright color. It's
이유로는
already
공지
publicly known, as you
부분에까지
can see in the
독점적이고
picture.
배타적인 권리를 인정할
For
수
this
없다는
reason,
점이 거론되고 있습니다. 이러한 입장은 창작설에 가까운
But it
것으로
seems reasonable to
특허 발명에
consider the
있어서
publicly known
이른바
part less
공지사항
important
제외설과
instead of
같은
completely
맥락의 쓴 것이라고도 할 수 있겠습니다.
excluding it from
다만
components of a
디자인에
design.
있어서는 공지 부분을 디자인의 구성 요소에서 아예 제외하는 것이 아니라
And
공지 부분의
instead
중요도를
of completely
낮게
excluding the design from
요구에서
components
제외하는
of
데
a design,
불과하다고
and
보아야
simply
하겠습니다.
by excluding it from
등록
the
요건과
prominent
권리 범위를
part when
판단할 때
determining
그
scope
기준은
of our rights,
가급적 통일적으로 해석하는 것이
we can more
바람직하겠지만
reasonably deal with the
디자인권은
public known part.
신규하고
When
창작이
determining
용이할 창작성이
registrability
있는
and the
권리에
scope of a
부여되는
right, it is
것이므로
ideal to have
그 권리
consistent
범위를 확정하는
interpretation.
작업에 있어서 디자인의 창작상 특징이 어디에 있는지 고려하는 것은
And
당연합니다. 이는
From
특허
this
등록의
perspective
행정
of
처분을
fairness
거쳐
of a right
발생하는
generated
권리의
through
공정력과
administrative procedures and
현실적으로 하자
quality
있는
and
권리에 관한
profits of a third
제3자의
party from a
이익과의 형평의
right with
관점에서
practical
권리의
flaws,
유효성은 그대로
it is
두되
more practical
사실상
that
효력을
validity
제한함으로써
of a right should
실질적 해결을
remain
도모하는
and its
해석
effectiveness
방법이라고 평가할
should
수
be
있겠습니다.
limited.
다음으로 대법원은
Next,
등록
it
디자인의
seems
일부에
that the Supreme
주지
Court
형상이
doesn't
포함된
handle
경우를
a case
공지
with a
형상이 포함된
well-known
경우와
shape
달리 취급하지는
differently
않는
from a
것으로
case with a
생각합니다.
publicly known
그
shape.
개념 정의에서 알 수 있듯이
As the
주지
definition
형상은
indicates, it is
소유자가
likely
거래 현실에서
that
주의를
such a
갖고 보지 않는
well-known
경우가
form
많을
is
것입니다.
often not be
이러한
viewed by
취지에서 대법원
consumers with
법칙이
attention in a
주지
specific
형상
transaction
부분은
action
요구로 될 수
situation.
없다고
From this
발차했습니다.
perspective, the Supreme
그러나
Court
그 후의
held
판례는
if a design adopts a
등록 무효
generally
사건에서
common and
주지
well-known
형상이라도
shape, it
신비감을
cannot become
불러일으키지
the
못하는
prominent
부분이라고는
part.
할 수
But
없다고
in a
하였고
later decision of an invalidation
기암용
case,
매트
the court
사건에서
said even if a
걸침
shape is well
모양이
known, it may not
주지
be said
형상이라도
that the
이것까지 포함하여
part fails
전체로서
to invoke
관찰하여 유사
ornamental
여부를
aesthetic
판단해야 한다고
sense.
판시하였습니다.
And the court also
화면
held
보시는 화면 아래쪽이 선행 디자인이고 왼쪽이 등록 디자인인데 등록
that
디자인의 디자인의
the similarity of a
설명이
design
걸침
should be
모양이라고
determined based on the
기재되어
ornamental
있는
aesthetic
사안입니다.
sense. The bottom right is
이러한
the prior
판례들의
design and the
태도는
bottom left
주지
is the
형상이라고 하여
registered design.
이른바 기본적
The design
형태처럼
is described
무조건
as beehive
요구에서
shape.
제외할 것이 아니라는
So the
전제에
attitude
서
of
있다고
this
보입니다.
recent judgment seem to
예,
presume that
감사합니다.
well-known
다음에 이어서
shape should be
일본의 스로우카
automatically
판사님
excluded.
답변 듣겠습니다.
Mr. Suroka from Japan.
第6問について回答をします。登録可能性の決定と権利の範囲の決定では適用される基準が異なります。まず登録可能性の決定における類似の判断ですが、これは次のように行われます。まず登録が求められている意思とそれと対比すべき意思の形態を認定します。次に両意思を対比し共通点と差異点、違う点を認定します。さらに共通点及び差異点について需要者の注意を引く部分か罹患に与える影響が大きいかを判断します。最後に全体的観察において意思を全体として共通の罹患をもたらすかどうかを判断します。この判断の中で高知の形状を除外して考える必要はないという見解が多数の見解です。それは、先に申しましたような判断をした結果、高知意象と類似であると認められるのであれば、新規性は否定されるべきなのであって、その場合にその高知意象をさらにそれ以前の高知意象と比較して、類似性をもたらしているのが 高知の形状部分なのか、それ以外の部分なのかを分析して考える必要はないからです。これに対して侵害かどうかを決定する際の類似の判断は次のように行われます。まず登録意匠と被疑侵害意匠の形態の認定をします。次に意匠の用具を認定します。最後に用具が共通か異なる美観が生じるかを判断します。そして用具の認定においては高知の形状ではない新規の創作部分があるかどうかという点が考慮されます。つまり高知の形状というのは用具の認定において重要なものとは考えられていないということになります。これは高知の形状に過ぎないものが登録意匠の権利範囲に取り込まれてしまうことを防止するためだというふうに言えると思います。以上の点に関して高知の形状と周知の形状とで取り扱いに違いはないと思われます。最後に関連する裁判例を紹介します。登録可能性の決定における高知の形状の参酌に関しては、例えば知財高裁2007年9月10日判決があり、次の通り判断しています。意匠法3条1項3号該当性における高知意匠と出願にかかる意匠との類比を判断するにあたっては、高知意匠についてさらに以前から存在した高知意匠との比較をした上で用具を認定することは合理性がなく、単に両者の共通点、採点を総合して類比判断すべきである、このように判断しています。次に権利範囲の決定に関しては、東京地裁2008年2月19日判決などがあり、次のように判断しています。意匠の類比を判断するにあたっては、意匠にかかる物品の性質、用途、使用対応、さらには高知意匠にない新規な創作部分の損否などを参酌して、意匠にかかる物品について需要者の注意を引きつける部分を意匠の用具として把握し、両意匠が用具において構成対応が共通するかどうかを中心に観察をして、両意匠が全体として美観を共通するか否かを判断すべきである、このように判断をしています。以上です。
예, 잘 들었습니다.
Thank you
자,
very
끝으로
much for
영국의
your
빌
answer.
변호사님 답변
Lastly, Mr.
부탁드리겠습니다.
Bill.
Thank you. The answer to this question about whether a registered design that partially contains a publicly known shape is considered less important, and so how that affects the standards applicable to registrability, can be answered in short by explaining that publicly known shapes and well-known shapes end up being treated differently because of the test for validity. Now, a design can be valid if it is new and has individual character. A design is new if no identical design has been made available to the public before the date of the filing of the application or its priority date, and designs are deemed to be identical if their features differ only in immaterial details. And the design is considered to have individual character if the overall impression it produces on the informed user differs from the overall impression produced on such a user by any design which has been made available to the public before the date of filing. or the priority date of the design. So the test is a one of individual character, which depends upon the overall impression produced by a design on an informed user compared to individual designs that have come before. And in carrying out that assessment, the informed user takes into account the degree of freedom of the designer and their knowledge of the design corpus in general, but they do not get to combine features from individual designs in carrying out that analysis. And that was determined by the European Court of Justice in a case called Karen Millen. So that when one comes to the kind of question that this question asks, the process of comparison, which was explained by the UK Supreme Court in Magmatic and PMS, the case about trunky children's ride-on suitcases, brings the question into focus. The English Court of Appeal explained in that case that the most important things in a case about registered designs are the registered design, firstly, secondly, the accused object, and thirdly, the prior art. And the most important thing about each of those is what they look like. But what is required to assess validity and individual character is a global assessment which requires consideration of the visual impression created by the registered design and the accused design. The informed user will, however, attach less significance to features which form part of the design corpus and therefore are design features that are well known. The effect is therefore that a comparison between an individual piece of prior art is carried out to see whether the new design creates a different overall impression. And it's only features which are well-known shapes in the definition of the question, which would form part of the design corpus and therefore have lesser visual significance to the informed user when carrying out that comparison.
예, 감사합니다. 이제 저희 세션의 마지막 주제 세 번째 주제인데요.
Now let's move
저희도
on to
이제
the last
조금씩
topic
더
of the
열기가 되다
session.
보니까 저희
So,
정해진 시간이 가까워지는데
as we are having heated discussion,
패널분들께서 열기 때문에 조금
the time is
시간이
almost
오버되는 것
up,
같습니다.
but it seems like we
저희가
are a
휴식 시간을
little
뺏을 수는
behind our
없으니까요.
schedule.
정해진
I
시간을
cannot
맞춰주시고
take the break
동영상
time
답변자들이
away
제
from
시간을
you.
잘
So
지켜주시는데
actually the
다른
people
분들도
speaking through video clip
말씀드린
has
시간을
been
잘 맞추시면 좋겠습니다.
making
마지막으로 세 번째
comments
주제는
very
디자인의
at a timely
창작 비용이성에
manner.
대한
The
것입니다.
third topic is about
먼저 이에 대해서는
the design that is
디자인의
easily,
창작
that cannot be
비용이성을
easily
디자인
created.
등용 조건으로 하고 있는지
So
그리고
I'd like
그
to
판단
ask
기준은
whether the
무엇인지에
element
대해서
a design
질문을
cannot
드리도록
be easily
하겠습니다.
created is one of
방금
the
전에 답변하셨던
requirements
필
for the design
변호사님
to be
다시 한번
registered.
답변 부탁드리겠습니다.
Mr. Bill, would you please answer?
As I said in my written answers, the short answer to this question is no. It's not the difficulty or ease of creation of a design that determines whether a design is registrable in the UK or the EU. But one has to bear in mind that the test is the question of individual character of the new design as compared by an informed user. And therefore, the difference is difference in visual impact. The result is therefore that difference is required from pre-existing designs rather than questioning the design input of the designer. And the reason for that is because the legislation tries to create a mirror balance between the test for infringement, whether something does not create on an informed user a different overall impression, and the test for validity.
예, 감사합니다. 그러면 이어서 한국의
Thank you.
정택수
I'd like to
부장판사님의
ask
답변을
Judge
듣겠습니다.
정택수 for the answer.
감사합니다.
Thank you very much. Before I answer the question, I'd like to say that the Judge Bill from UK, thank you very much for your insight. I respect you really a lot. And your answer will give us a lot of insight for further advancing our study on this area. Our Design Protection Act says that a design may not be registered if it can be easily created by an ordinary designer. And through various precedences, we say that the assessment of level of creativity is the purpose of Design Protection Act. So if we refer to the cases precedents from Supreme Court decisions, first, design imitating or appropriating a publicly and well-known shape, almost as it is, and design that are mere commercial transformation without any aesthetic value, and thirdly, designs that are modified, combined, or used pursuant to creative methods. These three categories of design cannot be registered. And as for commercial and functional transformation, it means that changes are made to the article or its function. As for aesthetic value, whether it will be easily created by an ordinary designer is considered when we determine aesthetic value. And this is an example, sewer pipe anti-odor sealing plug. Actually, regarding the shape of this item, it does not have creative motive. Regarding the multiple radial cutouts and formation of the lower elastic opening and closing parts, they don't have aesthetic value. And we need to determine whether the applicant's design is modified, combined, or used the creative or expressive methods commonly used in the field. So we see whether it used technique or methods that are common in the industry. This is an example with power meter box. It has difference in terms of the number and shape of rain shades and sun shades. So they can be easily modified by an ordinary designer. Actually, they simply bisected the shade according to the location of the sight glasses. So this case cannot be
끝으로
registered
중국의
as a
축지영
design.
변호사님 답변 부탁드립니다.
Chuk Ji-young from China.
중국에도 디자인의 창작
In
비용
China,
이성을 디자인 등록 요건으로 정하고 있습니다.
We also
그 판단
have
기준에 대하여
such
다음과
regulation.
같이 설명드리도록
Regarding
하겠습니다.
that, I can explain to you in this
특허법
way.
제23조 제2항은 특허권이 부여될
Our
디자인이
patent
기존
law
디자인이나 기존
says
디자인
that
특징의 조합과 뚜렷이 구별되어야
The
한다고
design
규정하고
must be
있습니다.
clearly differentiated from the existing design.
특허법
And for the
제23조
scope of the existing
제4항은
design,
기존
our patent
디자인을
law says
신상일
that
우선권이 있으면 우선권일 이전에 국내외에서 대중에게
The
알려진 디자인을
design
의미합니다.
refers to
신정일
here
이전에
refers to the
국내외
design well
출판물을
known to the
공개적으로 발표,
people.
공개적으로 사용 또는 기타 방식으로 일반인에게 알려진 디자인을 포함합니다.
It also includes the design publicly published or publicly known to the ordinary people.
규정 제20조에서 구체적인 판단 기준을 다음과
And the
같이
specific
규정했습니다.
assessment
기존
criteria
디자인에서
is mentioned
전체적으로
in the
조는
Chinese
디자인 개시에 따라
relevant
일반
law.
소비자가 쉽게 생각할 수 있는 디자인 특징의 전용, 조합 또는 교체 등의 방식으로 디자인 특허의 전체적인 시각적 효과와 동일하거나
It
독보적인 미세
refers to the
차이만
visual
존재하고
effect,
실질적으로 동일한 디자인이거나
and if
또한
it determines whether they are identical,
인민법은 해당 디자인
if they
특허가
don't have special
기존 디자인
specific
특징의
visual
조합과
effect,
비교하여
then
특허법 제23조 제2항에 명확한 차이가 없음을 인정해야 합니다.
then it has
다음의
to
상황 중 하나에
recognize
부합되면
whether
인민법원은
there's difference
정항에서
between the
언급한
two
디자인
designs or
개사
not.
존재함을 인정할 수 있습니다. 첫 번째는 같은
And
종류
firstly,
물품 중에 다른 부분의
among the
디자인
same
특징을
type of
조합하거나
articles,
교체하는 것.
if they
두
combined
번째는
or
기존
replaced
디자인이
the
특정
designs,
종류 물품의
and
디자인
secondly,
특징을 디자인 특허 물품으로 전용하는 것을 공개한 것.
the
세 번째는 기존
appropriation
디자인이
of
다른
the existing
특정
design.
종류 물품의 디자인
Thirdly,
특징을 서로 조합한 것을
a
공개한 것.
combination of
네
different
번째는
designs.
기존
And
디자인의
fourthly,
도안을 직접 또는 미세하게만 변경하여
a
디자인 특허
small
물품에
change
사용하는 것.
of the
다섯
existing
번째는 단일
drawing
자연물의
to be
특징을
used for the
디자인 특허
design
물품에
article.
적용하는 것. 여섯 번째는 단순하게
sixth,
기본 기하적 형상을 사용하거나
using
미세하게만
simple
수정하고
geometric
디자인을
shape.
얻은 것. 마지막은
And
일반
lastly,
소비자가 공지한 건물, 작품, 마크의 정보 또는 일부를
designs,
사용하여 디자인을
art
얻은
of
것.
work or marks
이상입니다.
that are well known
예,
to the
감사합니다.
public.
자, 이번
Thank you
세션의
for
마지막
your
질문인데요.
information.
마지막
Last
질문은
question.
복수의 디자인 형태들 간의 결합에 의한
The
디자인 이미
last
창작을
topic
인정하고
is about whether
있는지와
you
그다음에 그 판단
recognize
기준이 무엇인지에 대한 것에 대해서
whether
질문을
you have
드리겠습니다.
standards to
방금
determine whether
말씀하셨던
a
축지영
design
변호사님
resulting
답변
from the
부탁드리겠습니다.
combination of multiple design or shapes constitute
관련
an easily
특허법에
created
따라
design.
간단한 형태의 조합은 특허가 부여되지 않으며 그 판단
for
기준은
simple
해당 형태의
combination
조합이
of
독특한 효과를
design,
낼 수 있는지 여부입니다. 중국
we see
특허
if they
심사
have
가이드의
special
제4파트 제5장의 6에 의하면 특허법 제23조
According to
제2항
the
규정에
Article
따라
23 of
특허권이
the
부여될
Patent Law,
디자인은 기존
the
디자인이나
existing
기존
design
디자인 특징의
referred
조합과
to
확연히
in this law
구별이
shall
되어야
mean
합니다.
designs well
사건
known in
관련
the public
특허가
domain.
기존 디자인이나 기존 디자인 특징의 조합과 현저하게 차이가 나지 않는
And
것은
if there
다음과
is
같은
no
경우가
significant
있습니다.
change between the two designs, that will fall
첫
into
번째는
the
사건 관련
following
특허는 동일
categories.
또는 그 유사한 종류의 물품의 기존 디자인과 현저하게 차이가 나지 않는
Firstly,
경우.
where the
두
design
번째는
features
사건
of different
관련
parts
특허는
of products
기존
of the same
디자인에서
type is combined or
전용되고
replaced,
양자의 디자인 특징이 동일하거나
and when the two
미세한
designs have
차이만 있을
same
뿐이며 그
characteristics or
구체적인 전용
very
수법은
small
동일하거나
differences,
유사한 종류의 물품의 기존 디자인에서 제시받았을 경우. 세 번째는
And
사건
thirdly,
관련 특허는 기존 디자인 또는 기존 디자인의 특징의 조합으로부터 얻은 것이고
the
정수란
patent was
기존
based on
디자인과
the
사건 관련 특허의
characteristics of
해당
the
부분이
existing
같거나
design,
미세한 차이만 있을 뿐이며
and
그
in the
구체적인
case
조합
where there's
수법은
only small
동일하거나
difference
유사한
between the
종류의
two
물품의
designs,
기존 디자인에서
but are
제시받았을
expressed on
경우
similar
기존
type
디자인의
of article,
전용과 조합을 통해 어떤 사건 관련 특허는
and
이 상항
patent
이항
based
상항의
on the
규정에 따라
appropriation of
종합적으로
the
고려해야 합니다.
design
그러나
should
이와 같은 전용
consider the various
또는 조합
paragraphs
후에 독특한
mentioned in this
시각적 효과를
article.
나탔을 경우는 제외합니다.
The design has very special visual effect
시간
that will
관계로
not be
그 중간 부분은
applied with this
생략하고 관련
rule.
중국 사례 하나 간략하게
I'd like to
말씀드리도록 하겠습니다.
introduce a case.
관련 원고인 선전시 라이트니스 의료유한회사는
plaintiff
디자인
was
특허권 무효
Suncheon
선고
City's
행정분쟁
Lightness.
청구 사건에 불복하여 중국 국가지식재산권국 특허재신위원회가 내린 무효 선고 청구
Actually, at that
심사
time,
결정에
the
대하여 법정 기한에 소송을
invalidation
제기했습니다.
case,
원고
for the
라이트니스는
invalidation
다음과 같이
case, the
본 특허와
plaintiff
대비 디자인과
made
뚜렷하게
revocation
다르다고
action,
규정했습니다.
saying that their
양자가
design is
컵과 하트
clearly
사이의
different
덮인
from the
레이스,
well-known
트리밍이 서로
design.
다릅니다.
They have
본토커의
different shape
레이스
of
트러민
trimming.
팬터는 원고
They have
로고를
different trimming
담고
pattern.
있으며 레이스 트러민 조화가 잘 어우러져
And
있습니다.
there was good
대비
harmonization
디자인
of lace
트리밍은
trims.
단순한 도형 삭기에 불과합니다. 이에
And
피고의 판정이 잘못되었습니다. 따라서 원고는 법에
So the
의하여 관련
plaintiff
결정문을 철회하고 다시 결정을 내리도록
withdrew
청구했습니다.
from
베이징시
submitting the
베이징
confirmation.
지식재산권 법원은
And
본토커와
the
대비 디자인
Beijing
1의 레이스는
court
배치가 거의 같기 때문에 꽃
said
모양의
that they
디자인,
have
소재
almost the
스타일,
same
스니커
arrangement in
등의
terms
측면에서
of the shape
미세한
of the
차이만
flower,
있을 뿐 구체적인
and
레이스
there was
모양이
only
다른
small
것
difference in terms of the
부분적인
materials
미세
they
변화에
used.
해당하기 때문에
They
전체적인
had very
시각적
partial,
효과가 없기
subtle
때문에
change without any
따라서
special visual
본토커와
effect.
대비 디자인의
So,
차이점 1은 본토커가 기존 디자인에 비해 크게 차별화되는 것이
so the
아닙니다.
plaintiff's design was not
원고의 관련
greatly
주장은 사실과
differentiated from the
법적인
existing
근거
design.
근거가 부족하여 그래서 이에 대하여
So,
지지하지 않기로
The
했습니다.
plaintiff's
이상입니다.
design
감사합니다.
예,
also
끝으로
was
한국의
lack
김태수
of the
부장판사님
evidential
답변
data.
듣겠습니다.
예, 지금 휴식 시간은 중요하니까
Actually, you have to take a break. I have to do quickly.
우리 디자인보호법 33조 2항은 복수 형태
Firstly,
결합에 의한 용의 창작을 규정하고
Our
있다.
Design Protection
이거지고요.
Act, Article 33 says that design may not be registered
그런 형태의
if it
결합에 의한
cannot,
용의 창작의
if it can
유형이
be
이렇게 볼
easily
수 있다.
created by an ordinary designer.
창작 수준 낮은 복수 형태 결합은 이런 유형을 볼 수 있다. 자, 이 부분 좀 보겠습니다. 자, 이런 복수 형태 결합에도
So,
창작 수준 낮은 디자인이 있을 수
If
있는데
there's a design made by combining multiple forms, it should be determined along with whether the combination
먼저
is
디자인 분야에
easy.
따라서는 그 발상의 자유가 제한되는 측면이 있으니까
First, in terms of the domain of design, we should consider the relevance. The first thing we have to consider is
첫째 고려 요소로 합니다.
whether the articles of known designs or known fields of well-known forms
그런
exist.
디자인의 특성으로 응용될 수 있다는 것이 암시될 정도의 그런 디자인들
And
간의
relevancy
관련성이
must be
인정되어야
present
하겠습니다.
between designs so as to suggest that the exterior with ornamental characteristics of a design can be applied as the characteristics of another.
디자인 분야의 경향에 따라서는
And thirdly, for the trend in the field, may influence the range from which designs may be selected.
셋째 고려 요소로 합니다. 자, 그래서 사례를 하나 보면
So this is an example.
메추리알 포장 용기에 관한
That's
사례에서요.
coil egg carton, as you see
남자
here.
모양의 형상이 주요한 차이점이 있습니다.
They have difference in terms of the form.
형상은 포장 용기
The
분야에도
hemisphere
포장 용기
shape
분야에도 주지된 일반적 형상이죠.
is well-known
그다음에
form
선행
in the
공기
packaging
디자인도
industry.
전체적으로
And if you look at the prior design, the inside space of the prior design
공통되는 외관적
has
특징을 가지고 있다.
common characteristics with the well-known form.
통상의 디자이너가
So
그
we
결합에
can
이르는
determine
데는
that
특별한 창작적 노력이
there's
필요하지
no
필요하다고
special
보이지
creative
않는다.
efforts
그래서
required
결합이
to
용이하다고 판단했습니다.
make this, create this design.
감사합니다.
Thank you for your
예,
attention.
이상으로 세션 주제에 대한
Thank
질문
you.
답변 모두
We have
마치겠습니다.
finished
패널분들의 칭찬 답변
Q&A.
다시 한번
Thank you very
감사드리고요.
much for
자,
your
마치기 전에
contribution.
시간은 거의 다 됐지만
It's almost
특허 시청
time to
실무에
finish
관해서 아주
the
중요한
session.
말씀을 해주시게
But I'd like
나와주셨는데요.
to
너무 오랫동안
ask
기다려주시게 해서 죄송하긴
our
한데
gentleman
아까
from
소개해드린
the Korea
특허청의 김지맹
Patent
과장님으로부터
Office, Mr. Kim
화상
Ji-meng,
디자인 보호에
to
관한
make
한국 특허청
presentation
심사 실무라는
about
주제로
the
발표를 청해
Korean
듣겠습니다. 예,
Patent
과장님 발표
Office's
부탁드립니다.
activities.
안녕하십니까. 특허청
Good
디자인
afternoon.
심사과장으로
I'm Ji-meng Kim, Director of Home and Daily Goods Design Examination Division of Korean Intellectual Property Office. This slide shows content of my presentation. Due to time constraint, I may have to skip some slides that contain general information, so please refer to the reference book for the information.
그리고
photos and cases
제가 자료를
from
준비하면서 화상 디자인에 관한 분쟁 사례를
KIPO
조사해봤는데
design
사실
examination
아직까지는 많지
criteria.
않습니다.
There have been few
심판원의
GUI
신결은 대부분
disputes in
심사관의
Korea.
고절 결정에 대한
Most of
불복 심판이고
administrative boards trials
신결에
or
대해서
trials
특허법원에
against
소를 제기한
rejection.
경우도 사실 거의
There are almost
없습니다.
no cases filed as
무효
suit
심판이나
with the
권리법인 협의
patent
심판도
court for
거의
the
청구가 되지
administrative
않고 있고요.
decision. Few
민영사
trials on
사건도 사실
invalidation
제기가
or
어렵습니다.
trials to confirm scope
이런
of rights or
현상이 사회
claim.
전체적으로
Almost no civil
바람직한지
or
여부는
criminal
사실
cases
변론으로
were
하더라도
found. Whether it is
화상
ideal
디자인에
or
대한
not
제도
for the
발전을
society
위해서는
is a
좀
different topic
개인적으로
for
아쉬운
discussion,
생각도
but I
들고
felt
있습니다.
it would have been more helpful in developing
다음 이제
institutions to
발표를
handle
진행하겠습니다.
GUI if there
화상
were
디자인은
plans to discuss.
2010년도 디자인 심사 기준
GUI
개정을 통해서 보호되기
has been
시작했고요.
protected
매년
since
약
2003
1,700여
when the
건
design
정도가
examination
수정이 되고
guidelines were revised. Since then, about
다만
1,700 patents for GUI are applied every year.
다만 디자인 보호법상 보호받는 디자인은
Design
물품성을
should
갖춰야
be
하므로
for an article of
화상 디자인 자체로
manufacture to
보호되는
be
것은 아니고
protected by the Design
스마트폰
Protection
등
Act.
표시부
GUI itself is not protected as design.
표시부를 갖는 물품을
But
전제로 그
it is
표면에 도시된
protected as a
모양으로서
shape
보호가 되고
displayed
있습니다.
on the surface
화상
under the
디자인의
premise
예를
of the
살펴보면
article
굉장히
with
좀
a display
다양합니다.
such as the smartphones. As you can see on the slide, there are many
보시면
examples of GUI.
웹사이트나 스마트폰,
There are
가전제품의
GUI
GUI
of a
사례,
website or smartphone
또
and
아이콘이나 배경화면,
home
캐릭터
appliance.
등도 물품성 등
Icons,
일정 요건만
backgrounds, or
갖추면 등록은
characters can be
가능합니다.
registered as design if
최근에는
they meet
동적
certain
화상 디자인도
requirements.
다수 출원돼서
In recent
등록이 되고
years,
있습니다.
application of patents for animated
다만
GUI have
물품성이
been filed
인정되지
in
않는
large
경우에는
number.
등록이 어렵습니다.
But if the design is
예를
not
들어
for
뭐
an article of
가상 키보드
manufacture,
같이
it is
물품
not
내
likely the
표시부를
design is
특정할 수
registered.
없고
If the
빛의
display
투사에 의해서
cannot
구현되는
specify
경우나
within the article
화상이
like a virtual
표시되는 물품의
keyboard
형상이
and is
고시되지
projected by
않는
light,
경우는
the design
등록이
cannot be
어렵습니다.
registered.
하지만
And the shape of
아래처럼
article
표시부를
of the
차선으로
GUI is
추가하고
displayed
물품
is
명칭을
not clearly
화상 디자인에 표시된
illustrated.
디스플레이
The
패널
design cannot be
등으로
registered.
출원하면
However,
등록은 가능하게
if a
되겠습니다.
displaying part is added
한편
and the
현행
application
디자인
is found
보호법이
as a
뭐
display
AR이나
panel
VR
with a
등
GUI,
기술
the application
발전에
may be
따른 다양한
registered.
형태의 화상 디자인
In the meantime,
보호하는
there has
조금
been
미흡하다는 논의가
discussion
계속
that the Design
있어왔고요.
Protection Act
이에
is
금년
not
8월
sufficiently
디자인 보호법
protecting
개정안이
GUI in
발의돼서
various forms
현재
generated
국회에서
by
논의가 되고
AR
있습니다.
and VR. In this
개정안에서는
regard,
화상
the National
자체로
Assembly
등록이
discussed the pending
가능토록 하고
revision of
있고
the Act
다만
last
이러한 경우
August.
기기에
The
조작에
revised
이용되는
Act
것
allows
등으로 판정을
registration
좀
of
하고
GUI
있습니다.
itself, but the registration is limited to GUI used for
화상 디자인
operation of a
추론도
device
로카르노
and GUI
분류에 따른
displayed as a
물품류와
result
물품
of a function.
명칭을 기재해야 됩니다.
Application of
물품
GUI is
명칭은
required
권리
to
범위를
describe
좀 더
the
확대하기
category
위해서
and name of the
최근에는
GUI
대부분
according to
화상
Locarno
디자인이 표시된
classification.
디스플레이
The name of GUI
패널로
is
이제
described
기재를 해서 대부분
as
등록이 되고
display
있습니다.
panel with GUI to expand the scope of
참고로
rights.
로카르노 분류와 우리나라
For your
물품별 물품 목록을
information,
비교해 보면 로카르노 14류
Let me
제4군의
compare Locarno
스크린 디스플레이 앤
classification and Korean
아이콘이라든지
classification of articles.
제31류의 그래픽
Screen
심볼은
displays and
우리나라에서 현재는
icons that
인정되고
fall
있지
into number
않습니다.
14 and graphic symbols that fall into number
심사
32
신무상
under the
일디자인
Locarno classification
일추론주의는 일반적으로 크게
are
문제는
not
되지 않습니다.
recognized as a
다만
design in
동적
Korea.
화상
For
디자인에
practical
있어서는 실제
examination, one
조금은 종종 쟁점이 되고
application for
있습니다.
design is not a
동적
problem,
화상
but it could be
디자인의
a problem
경우에는
for animated
변화
GUI.
전후
As for
운영간의
animated
형태적인 관련성이
GUI,
좀
there
인정이
should
돼야
be
됩니다.
physical relevance
보시면
and
두 번째
transformation
사례의 경우
consistency for to be
동일한
recognized
프레임을
as
사용을
design.
하고 있으나
In
구성 요소의 모양이나
these
배치가 좀
pictures,
상이해서 하나의
they
디자인으로 인정되지
are using the same
않았습니다.
frame, but their shapes and arrangement of
이거는
components
유사한
are different,
내용으로
so they are
생략을 하도록 하고요.
not recognized as the same design.
최근 신규를 하나 보면은 일디자인
And
일추론주의는
recently,
상당히 완화돼서 현재 적용이 되고
The
있습니다.
one
이
design,
사건에서 심사 기준을 엄격히 적용을 하면은 거절할 수 있겠지만
this
심판원은
principle
디자인의 설명이라든지
has
일반
been
수요자
applied these
인식,
days.
그다음에
But
순간적인
actually,
화면 변화의 추세 등을 고려해서 하나의 디자인으로
we need to-
인정을 하고 있습니다.
It is highly likely that the design subject application in
화상
this will
디자인의
be
신규성 여부
recognized.
판단은 일반적인 디자인과 큰 차이는 없습니다.
Actually,
다만
for
실무적으로 다른 물품에
assessing the
비해서
novelty or
심사관이
determining
직접
the
선행 디자인을
similarity of
검색해서
a
찾아내는 것 자체가
GUI is
다른
not
물품에
much
비해서
different
굉장히
from the
어렵다는 좀
similarity
특징을 가지고
determination.
있습니다.
But the design examination
이
guidelines
사건에서
include the
심사관은
following,
양
considering
디자인은
the
전체적인
characteristics
구성과
of
레이아웃,
GUI.
특히
In
X자
this
아이콘의
case,
위치와 모양이 매우
The,
유사하다고 좀
in the overall
판단했습니다.
composition and
그러나
layout,
심판원에서는
especially the
X자
location
아이콘은
and shape
일반적으로
of
널리
X,
사용되고 있고
is
하단
similar
버튼부의
to the
모양이
prior
배치 형태
design,
등이 달라서
but the intellectual
내용은
property
유사하지
trial,
않다고
an
이제
appeal
판단한
board
사례입니다.
said that the icon is generally well known, and the
창작
shape of the
비용이성
button and the
화상 디자인 추론
combined
거절류 중에 가장
shape
많은
and
비중을
form of
차지하고
the
있습니다.
applied design are
먼저
different from the
공지
prior
디자인을 일부
design.
변형하거나 또는
First,
공지 디자인을 단순하게 결합한
There are
경우를
designs
그대로
that
들 수 있을
partially
것입니다.
transformed the
다음으로
publicly known
실무적으로 가장
design
문제가 많이 되는
or
건데요.
that made a simple
주지
combination
디자인으로부터
of
쉽게 창작할 수
publicly
있는
known design.
경우를 예로 들 수 있습니다.
Secondly, easy
특히
creation
UI
based on
디자인에서
well-known
흔하거나
shape.
기초적인 레이아웃에
Especially
불과한 경우, 그리고
The
이러한 레이아웃에
common UI design
사각형이나
or very
원 등
basic
단순한 모양이
layout,
결합된
or
경우
if it's a combination of simple
사실
shapes
창작
like
비용이성으로서 거절이
circles
되는
and
경우가 많이
rectangle,
있습니다.
then they are
이 사례는 좀 생략을
likely
하고요.
to create a lot of issues.
여기서 보시면 추론
This will be
디자인은 디스플레이
skipped,
모서리 부분에
and
공지된
in this case,
동영상 재생
the
아이콘을
applied
단순하게
design
배치하는
is just
것입니다.
a layout
사건에서
of the
심판원에서는
well-known
추론
icon
디자인의
in the
아이콘 모양은
display
특이성이
corner
인정되지
area.
않는다. 그러나
And
아이콘을 특정한
here,
위치에
the
배치한
uniqueness
것에서
of
이제
the shape
특이성을
of the
인정한다
icon
해서
is
추론
not
디자인이
recognized
창작
in the
비용이성
applied
요건을
design,
갖추었다고
but the
판단했습니다.
arrangement of the icon
이러한 신결이
in certain
많아지면서 최근
locations is
실무적으로는
recognized
창작
for
비용이성
its
요건이
uniqueness.
상당 부분 완화돼서
So these days,
적용이 되고 있는 걸로 알고 있습니다.
Requirements for designs that are not easily created
우선권 주장
became
관련된
softened
사항입니다.
compared to before.
화상 디자인
Next
같은
is
경우
design
보호하는 방식이
application for
국가마다
GUI
굉장히 많이
accompanied
다릅니다.
claiming
따라서
priority.
심사 실무상
The
우선권
method of
증명서류
protecting
전체 내용하고
GUI differs by
제1국 추론국가
country.
제도 등을 좀
So if
종합적으로
the
고려해서
applied
우선권
design
인정
is not
여부를
identical
판단하고
with the
있습니다.
representation of the first
실무적으로
filing,
1국
the
추론
approval
디자인과
of the
한국 추론
priority
디자인의
could be
동일성 여부는
determined by
보시는
taking the
그림에서처럼
practice
굉장히
of the first
유연하게
filing
판단을
office
하고
into
있음을
consideration.
말씀드리겠습니다.
Whether or not the applied design in the first country and the applied
마지막으로는
design in
화상
Korea
디자인과
are
관련된
identical to each
침해
other is
사건을
being
하나
flexibly
소개해드리도록
assessed.
하겠습니다.
Lastly,
사실
I'd like to
이거
introduce
제가 찾지를 못해서
a
이
case.
정도만 소개하는데요.
Due to time
원고는 애플이고
constraint,
피고는 삼성
here
전문가입니다.
plaintiff is Apple,
이 사건에서
defendant is
법원은
Samsung
원고의 등록
Electronics.
디자인과 피고
In this
제품을
case,
비교하면서
The
아이콘의
court
배열
compared
형태는
the
유사할 수
design of
있으나
plaintiff and the
개별
design
아이콘의
of
구체적인 모양이
defendant.
유사하지 않다고 판단해서
Although the
디자인권
arrangement
침해를
of
인정하지
icons may be
않았던
similar,
사례고요.
specific
같이
shape of individual
판단하면서
icons
이런
is
사례들도
different. So here,
판단했는데 다 침해가 지금
the
부정되어
specific
있는
shape of individual
사례가
icons cannot be
되겠습니다.
considered
자세한
similar to
내용은
the
그 자료를
plaintiff's
보시면
design.
충분히 이해가
For
가능하실
more
걸로
details,
판단됩니다.
please read the
앞서
presentation
말했듯이
materials.
화상 디자인
As
추론은
mentioned
사실 과거에
before,
비해서 실무적으로는
patent
등록 요건
application
적용이 많이
requirements
완화돼서
for
현재는
computer-generated
적용되고 있습니다.
graphic design
이러한
have
실무
been
태도가
alleviated compared to
디자이너하고
before.
기업의 화상
I hope that
디자인의
this
보호에
would
조금이라도 이제 도움이
technically
되기를
help
바랍니다.
designers
이상
and
발표를
companies
마치겠습니다.
protect their
감사합니다.
computer-generated graphic
예,
design. Thank you
감사합니다.
for your
아직
attention.
구성법적으로는 좀
Thank
낯선
you.
화상 디자인이지만
Actually, the
자세하고
graphic design
상세한
or
내용
GUI
다시
design
한번
is something that
감사드리고요.
we are not
말씀하신
really
개정안이
familiar with, but thank
시행이
you very
되면
much for the
아마 사건도 같이
explanation.
늘어나지 않을까 하는
Once the
생각입니다.
amended law takes effect, then we will see
순서상으로는
more
좀 토론
cases
시간이긴
arising in the
한데요.
court.
예, 지금
It's
다들
time
표정을
to
보니까
have
뭐
discussion,
토론보다는
but
커피가 필요하신 것
as I
같아서
look into
토론은
your
혹시라도
face, it seems like you want to take a break,
예,
but
안 계시죠?
does
예,
any one
그러시면
of you have
정 못
a
찾겠다 하시는 분은
discussion?
앞에 계신 분한테
No?
개인적으로 오시면
So if you
친절히
would
답변해
like to
드릴
ask any
것으로
question,
생각이
please
됩니다.
come
그럼
forward to the
이것으로
stage.
3세션을
Then
마치고요.
this
이번
will
세션
be
통해서 디자인 소송에
all
대해서
for
보다
session
깊이 이해할 수 있는
3.
기회가 되었길
I
바라고 끝으로
this session was
멀리
helpful
연구에서
for
참석해
you
주신
to
비엘
have
변호사님과
deeper
여기 계신
understanding
모든
on
패널분들께 다시 한번
design
큰 박수
litigation.
부탁드리겠습니다.
Thank you, speakers and panels, and the
예, 감사합니다.
judge from UK.
이것으로
Thank
세
you
번째
all.
세션을 모두
This will be all
마치겠습니다.
for the
발표를
third
진행해 주신
session.
연사분과
Thank you,
윤성식
speakers
부장판사님께 다시
and
한번
the
감사
moderator
인사드리며 잠시
for
휴식
their
시간을
efforts
가주신
for
후 4시
session 3.
30분부터
We will
마지막 세션을
start the last
진행하겠습니다.
session at
코로나
4:30.